In this video, I'll show you how to fix your SIM card problems with your iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and Pro Max. So what you need to do? Well, I'll show you a few solutions and hopefully one of them will work for you. The easiest thing you can try that only takes a few seconds is to first go into settings. And then once you're in settings, you need to find airplane mode over here. You're going to turn on airplane mode. Wait about a minute, and then after the minute passed, turn off airplane mode. Give the iPhone about 2-3 minutes, and over here you should see your network bars appearing and your problem will be solved. Now, if this didn't work, what you can do is to force restart your iPhone. This won't delete anything. This is just a simple restart. So what you need to do is to press the volume up button once, volume down button once, and press the power button. Keep it pressed even if you see this screen appearing until the screen shuts down. Then you can release. Wait, okay, it shut down. I can release this button, the power button. And now all I have to do is to wait because the phone will restart by itself. So in about 40 seconds, everything should be back. And the iPhone will search for your network once again, and hopefully this time it will find your network. Now, if none of these worked for you, I have another solution that will take just a bit more time to do. So what you need to do is to activate airplane mode first of all. So you can drag down from here if you don't want to go in the settings like I showed you previously, and tap the small airplane icon there. Then once it's in airplane mode, we'll need to eject the SIM card. I know some iPhones sold in the US won't have this SIM card tray. If you don't have one of these, well, skip the step I'll show you. And I'll show you another solution in just a few minutes. So I'll eject the SIM card with the SIM tool that came with the iPhone. If not, just use a needle or a paper clip. Okay. Remove the tray with the SIM card. Whoops, here is the SIM card. And now what we'll need to do is to clean the SIM card slot here. So what you can do is to blow with your mouth in this small slot over here. Or if you have a small hand pump blower, just blow while the iPhone is pointing down. Like this, if there is some lint, some debris there, it will fall down by itself. Another thing you can do is simply tap many times just to make sure that there is no dust, no lint again that accumulates with time in this small slot over here. Next, take your SIM card, take a microfiber that is clean, and then gonna rub it very well, both faces of the SIM card. Okay? Again, sometimes there's dust on it, maybe a small particle that will make the SIM card unusable. So let's just wipe it very well. And then when you're done, you need to insert everything back. So take the SIM card tray over here, align your SIM card like this, make sure it's flush, okay, like that. And we will insert it back, push it all the way in and remove airplane mode. Now it will take a minute or two and your iPhone will search for your network, and hopefully this time you're going to see the networks bars appearing and everything will work as normal. If your iPhone has an eSIM and not a physical SIM card, you need to go into the settings like that and then tap cellular, and from cellular you should see over here if you added an eSIM, delete eSIM. Press on delete eSIM. And then you'll need to add eSIM by clicking this text over here, and you need to follow everything the same way you did the first time. So that's another solution in case you don't have an actual SIM card. Finally, the last solution I can propose is to go over here where it says General in Settings, then go down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on Reset, and you're going to choose Reset Network Settings. Okay, this will just reset the network settings. It won't delete any pictures. It won't delete any account like your Netflix account or your Apple ID. It won't delete anything apart the network settings because these are not working in your case. So go ahead and tap network settings, and then hopefully after doing this, your iPhone will work. If you're still having problem, what I suggest to you is to remove your SIM card from your phone, okay? Ask a friend or a family member to give you their SIM card just to test it out a few minutes and put their SIM card into your phone and check if it works. If your phone works with another SIM card, it means that the problem is your SIM card. So go to your carrier and ask for a new one because yours is damaged, and obviously this is the problem. If the other SIM card of your friend or family member does not work on your iPhone, well, there's a good chance that there's actually a problem with your iPhones, and so then you need to contact Apple, and hopefully you're under warranty and they can fix this for you, because this will mean that the problem is your phone and not your SIM card. Especially if the SIM card you put in your phone is not working, but it's working on another phone. So check this out and hopefully this will solve your problem. If you have other solutions that I missed and I didn't talk in this video, please type them in the comments down below. I'm really curious about them, and maybe I'll make another video showing people your solutions. So go ahead, type them. If not, just give a like, type thanks if one of these worked, and I'll see you in the next video.